Many people often ask us, how exactly are these high-end decorative wall panels installed? In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation process step by step and introduce the accessories used along the way. First, let's prepare the necessary tools. After measuring the wall dimensions, we cut the panels to the required size and carefully polish the edges. When installing around columns or 90-degree corners, we create grooves on the back of the panel and apply heat treatment to improve flexibility. Structural adhesive is then applied to ensure strong bonding and long-term stability. Here, you can see a demonstration of our commonly used installation accessories. If you're interested in receiving samples, feel free to contact us. Now, let's continue with the installation process. We cut the metal profiles according to the wall height and secure them with nails. The metal components can be cut to any required size, making the installation simple and efficient. Our panels are designed with a click lock system, allowing direct installation onto the metal framework once received. For large wall surfaces, full-size panels significantly reduce installation time. All the tools shown in this video, including glue guns, structural adhesive, and metal accessories, can also be supplied by us. Our decorative wall panels can be combined with our fluted wall panels. Both materials can be produced in matching colors to create a seamless and elegant design effect. The product featured in this video is our impact-resistant decorative wall panel. With a reinforced surface layer, it is ideal for commercial spaces such as retail stores and hospitals. Now, let's demonstrate how to wrap a column. First, grooves are made on the back of the panel, and any residue is thoroughly cleaned. The back of the panel is then heated to enhance flexibility, allowing it to wrap perfectly around the column. Structural adhesive is applied to secure it firmly in place. This is the final wrapped column result. Our panels are both durable and flexible. We maintain a large inventory in our warehouse, offering a wide range of design options. Each panel is securely protected with pallet packaging to ensure safe delivery without damage. We offer a variety of surface finishes, including our best-selling wood grain, metallic finishes, and PET film. If you would like to learn more about this product, please feel free to contact us directly.